Rocker Pat here. Hi guys, it's another rocking day in the jungle. And man, well, I got some bad news for us here. I guess it's not such the rocking day in the jungle, but it is in the jungle and we're still rocking. All right guys, there's been a death in the family. I was watching a video from Jan Coates, or I don't know how to say his last name, K-O-T-Z or something like that. He's down there in South Africa. And he was working on a little old welder that he had, and it was missing some oil, and he was talking about how it was giving him the little zappity zaps. Well, Lloyd, Rusty Glove Box, he was talking about how it's probably the windings in the transformer that did wore out the insulation on there, and is giving it a zappity zap. Well, guess what's happening with mine? I bought this welder 10 years ago or so. I bought it off Craigslist and I thought I got a really good deal, and it's really been a big pain in my ass ever since I've had it. Problem is, it either burns too hot or it doesn't burn at all. And it's trying to find that sweet spot. But the other day I was using it, trying to weld. I thought I'd get all these floor pans welded in. And I'm using it, and all of a sudden I just start feeling the tingles. And the thing just does not want to weld. It's just, I can't get it to burn in right. It's just it's just like building piles. So, you know what I'm going to do to fix this? The problem I have with my welder is when it strikes the arc, it just starts doing this bap, 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 bap with the wire, and it just keeps bouncing back and forth, and it never goes right in there. It's horrible. I hate it. So I've ordered a brand spanking new welder from Eastwood, and it'll be here next week, hopefully sometime. So we're gonna have to put the metal work on hold for a second, but I can't waste time just waiting around for a week for a welder to show up. I got to get some other stuff done. And what the other stuff done is that I need to do is I had went ahead and ordered myself one of these little dent slide hammer thingies. And because on the side of this bed, there were all sorts of dents in it. Right here, it was caved in. So today I got playing with it, and I'm like, hey man, this is working out pretty good. It's gonna go pretty fast. And since I don't have a welder to fix in there, rest in peace. And I'm gonna be tearing that apart and using that cart. That's going away. I'm not even gonna give that to somebody and make them have the problem. So what I figured I'd do while I'm waiting on the welder is go ahead and start stripping this body. This thing, it's got, here's our original primer, here's our original paint, here's the base coat, and here's the clear coat. And it's failing. It's old. It's been sitting in the Texas sun. It needs to be stripped all the way down to bare metal, basically, and then primered up and go back from there. You can see the clear coat's all falling off. So yeah, I'm gonna have to pretty much strip this. So I figure instead of sitting around and not doing anything, I may as well jump ahead. We're gonna move out of the mental health section, and we're gonna start doing a little bit of body stripping and dent repairing. Now, I can't get back here to fix that yet. And yes, I know how to fix it, and I'm gonna fix it. But this weekend, I'm hoping to get at least this side of this bed taken care of in epoxy primer, and then 3 coats of high build. And if I can do that, possibly get the door done this weekend. I don't know about the door yet because I have to take everything out of it, and I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll be working on that, okay? Possibly get all this off of it. So we're gonna move ahead a little bit, and that way I can keep rocking and rolling on this thing while I'm waiting on a new welder to come in. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. There's a 5-minute update on the little S10, and this is what we're doing. And y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking, because I got a whole lot of grinding to do. Talk to y'all next time.